It won't be all that easy to remember, but the 25th of April this year was in fact a beautiful day, which was ideal for model car enthusiasts. Down at the Lomeshaye racetrack, the Pendle and District Model Car Club were enjoying a good day at the races. We spoke to one of the officials.
It's just the end of our winter season championship. We normally have about 12 rounds in that series. Unfortunately, because of weather conditions, this is only the 4th round, but it's the last round of the championship today.
One eight nitro buggy, 3.5cc nitro fuel engine, 4-wheel drive.
I believe somewhere here is a young national champion.
21 years of practice, that should be pretty good.
And do you know a lot about your cars and such like that?
I know enough, but my dad's the brains of the operation, let's be honest.
Neil started when he was 7.
Right.
He's 28 now. Now we're doing it for maybe 5 years before that.
Very good. Excellent.
And then he got better than me, so I give up.
These cables over the track are the electronic starting device. When each of the cars go under, they are in the race.
The forces needed to break one of these were a lot more than an ordinary car.
Then, of course, there's the usual pit stop for refuelling. Stewards are on duty on various parts of the track to free cars that have got stuck or tip over. This is allowed.
I started this club with my son about 25 years ago, and we moved to this side in 1992. We held the European Championships here in 1994.
I think if wings were fitted, they would take off. So, if you fancy a day at the races, check out one of these venues.